go back to our Weather Authority Chief Meteorologist Dan Siaka. Dan, what's the latest in our forecast?
Well, the good news is all alerts have now expired. So the high wind warnings expired this morning. The rest of the wind advisories expired at 6 p.m. tonight. The red flag warnings expired at 3 p.m. today. So no longer are we seeing any alerts out there. With that said, conditions will remain warm and dry for the next 24 to 48 hours or so. And right now, we're looking at very mild conditions out there across the Central Coast, mostly in the 60s around the bay. Offshore flow will continue tonight. It will still be breezy in the hills at times, and it's possible that things that have already broken loose and are maybe just holding on may still shake loose and end up on the ground or on a roadway or on a power line overnight with the wind still blowing. We're just not expecting any more extreme winds like we saw last night. So be cautious if you're driving around, especially up in the mountains. As I mentioned, a very mild evening out there now that the sun's going down. And once the winds calm down, temperatures should drop fairly rapidly. We're still in this big dry air mass with high pressure off to our southwest. Now, there is an area of low pressure off to our south, actually bringing some light showers to far southern California. But this one's actually on its way out as well. But behind it, later on this week, another system is going to drop in from the north. This one actually has some moisture with it and much cooler temperatures. So we are going to see a big change in our weather as we head toward the end of the week. Gone will be the warm, dry days, and returning will be the cool and wet days, which we are used to seeing on any normal January. And that will be the pattern for the next week or so, starting about Friday. So get ready for some different weather. But until then, a little bit more of the same. Skies will remain mostly clear overnight until tomorrow. We'll be looking at offshore winds at times. They'll be weaker, but still there. And then our high temperatures will remain warm for now before they start to cool down. So let's get to those high temperatures for you on your Wednesday. This is what I'm expecting for your highs. 70s in Santa Cruz and Capitola, Scotts Valley in there as well. Highs in the 60s elsewhere in the Santa Cruz Mountains. And notice getting a little bit cooler in the valleys overnight, down to 39 to start the day in Boulder Creek. Watsonville 71 tomorrow, 74 in Salinas. Mid-70s in Hollister, and back toward the Bayshore in the 70s, still in Castroville Marina at Aptos tomorrow. Over to Monterey and the peninsula, you will see highs in the upper 60s to low 70s, 70 in Seaside and Carmel. Pacific Grove at 67. And then farther south, some cooler spots in the morning, like Bradley down to 25 overnight, and San Antonio Valley down to 30. But highs return to the low 70s for most locations tomorrow afternoon. So again, tomorrow's still a mild day, but we'll drop quite a bit on Thursday. Winds will shift from offshore to onshore, and eventually some low clouds will return, especially Thursday evening. So you may see the fog return late Thursday afternoon into the evening. High temperatures staying in the low 60s Thursday, and then in the 50s on Friday. So a weather system is going to come by Friday into Saturday. Looks like it'll bring some light rain Friday night into Saturday morning. It's not a big system. We're not expecting any flooding or any major issues, but a few light showers will be possible. Probably a better chance of rain coming late Sunday into Monday. So that system looking a little bit more potent. And then by Wednesday of next week, not on your map here just yet, perhaps something even more spicy. So we'll have to keep an eye on that for you. Inland areas also nice and warm tomorrow, starting that cooling trend Thursday, and much cooler temperatures by Friday with highs at least 5 degrees below normal after highs 20 degrees above for the last couple of days. Rain chances Friday to Saturday, another chance Sunday to Monday, and we're watching for more next week. We're back after this.